Hello, and thank you for being part of the Massachusetts Drug Supply Data Stream Project, a partnership among you and the community, Brandeis University, and the Massachusetts Department of Public Health Bureau of Substance Addiction Services. We're excited to work with you. Over the next few minutes, we will share a little bit about the project, we'll go over your role, and some best practices. My name is Becca Olson, and I'm the project manager on this study. Tracy Green is the principal investigator, Benjamin Polminskis is our analytical chemist, and Rachel Whiteman is our medical toxicologist. The Massachusetts Drug Supply Data Stream Project is funded by the Massachusetts Department of Public Health and was piloted in 2019 in Boston and New Bedford. Your part in this project is critical. The first step is for you to collect a sample from a client. You can collect anything that someone considers trash or substances that they do not want to use. These can be things like once-used cookers, cottons, baggies, stamps, or parts of pills. It's important that cookers and cottons be used only once. Otherwise, the results are too mixed up. Also, unfortunately, we cannot test syringes for health and safety reasons, so secure those in the disposal. What if a participant has 2 samples or pieces of materials to have tested? No problem, but please put each in a separate bag. Make sure you are following the safety protocols for collection set up by your organization. The best data we receive isn't from the scans, but from the donors. Please, as you talk with your clients and community members donating samples for scanning, ask them about what they are giving you. Things like what they bought it as, brown, dope, cocaine, meth. Did it do what they thought it was going to do? Did it do something strange or anything else that they think is important? The sample bags come with labels that include some questions like this. So please write down what you hear from the client right onto the bag. The bags come pre-labeled with the sample ID and the part in their location it was collected from. The rest of the information you can write down in the designated spots on the label. In addition to a bunch of sample bags, your startup package has some other important items. There's a locking sample bag for putting collected samples into. It locks with a key at the end of the zipper. Additionally, there's a copy of the Memorandum of Understanding that was signed off by local law enforcement. This is for your reference. Finally, there are informational flyers about the project in English and Spanish for handing out to clients and other partners. If you would like it translated into additional languages, please let us know. After you have collected a sample and filled out the sample label, place the sample in the locking bag provided. Your organization should have a designated area to store the locking bag, such as a locked filing cabinet. Once you've collected 4 or more samples, please call, text, or email us to let us know. We will then set up a time for the Brandeis team to come out and test the samples. With any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We look forward to our collaboration with your organization.